Hi YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel called Bren's Day, where I tell you which subscription box I got today, pretty much. I have to go ahead and say before I start with this box that I did get a Wantable a couple of days ago and it was horrible. It was horrible. They sent me two pair of pants that I had already gotten in my previous fix that did not fit me. One of the pair was black. If you remember that video, I got some black like cargo pants. They sent me the same thing in olive, same color, and I had already told them that those didn't fit me. They also sent me another pair of those Dear John jeans that were too big in the same size. So I didn't even bother trying anything on. I didn't post the video because I felt really bad about it because I was really in a bummed out mood. So hopefully this Stitch Fix box that I have today is going to be better. And we're going to open it up and see. As you know, if I can talk, we'll keep going. As you know, Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription service. You pay $20 and you pay that $20 every time you get a box. Now, you can do this monthly, every other month, every 3 months. It just depends on how often you want to get a box. I am currently signed up for 2 to 3 a month, but all that could change today. I did request another stylist, so I've had the same stylist for the past 8 boxes, and we'll see how this one is, and I'm kind of apprehensive at this point. I don't even know that I want to open it. Okay, here we go. It's kind of a small box, and it's a small bundle. So, that doesn't give me too much hope, but I'm trying my best. Okay, so what do we have here? A fix with something extra. Easily add pieces from a curated collection of intimates. So it looks like they're going to be having intimates. And you can see the categories there on the back. So that's interesting. Alright, here's my price list. Maybe I'll peek at the bottom line if I can find it. Okay, whoop, I'm dropping stuff. Bottom line is $165, so hey. I'm just hoping, so, oh hello. Let's see what my new stylist has to say, and her name is Bratina. Hey Brenda, I hope you enjoyed your holiday season and are looking forward to what the new year has in store for you. I started you out, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here we go. Here's my mailbag bag. Oops, I'm dropping stuff. Here's my mailbag bag for anything that I don't like. Here is my bundle. Take a look. I do see some pretty colors. Fingers crossed. I do kind of like Stitch Fix. I like getting these boxes. Their customer service is amazing. So I'm just, you know, I kind of hope we can continue, but we'll see. All right, the first thing I have is a box. And there is a necklace in here that is silver. Hold it up so you guys can check it out. That's pretty. Okay, I like this. 1 down, 4 to go. It doesn't have any kind of jewels or anything in it. It's just a very cute silver statement piece. A little bit blingy for me, but I do like how it looks antique. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is so hard. Okay, first thing I see is this and this smocked stuff. So this, I'm going to guess, is an off-the-shoulder shirt, which I don't prefer. It looks short. See there? It's got a ruffled batwing sleeve. I do like the colors, but I am not a huge fan. It does go up on the sides, but I suppose if you wore it, nope, it dips down in the front. See that? So I'm holding it straight across the top. Not my favorite. Juliet, L-U-Q Juliet knit top, it says. Sorry, he's blocking myself with the top. Okay, next thing I have is something black. My Skies Are Blue. Stitch Fix exclusive. This is a Kendra layered hem knit top in black. So let's see. Okay, 3/4 sleeve. Cute on the bottom. I do like this. Not that I need another black. Hello. Not that I need another black top, but guys. Next, I have something pink or berry colored. This is a Brianna Mixed by 41 Hawthorne long sleeve knit cardigan in jewel tone purple. Okay, straight with a little bit of a shark bite hem, pretty color. That's nice. I like that. Like the color. I will go over prices after I try the stuff on. And lastly, a pair of silver brand jeans. I have a very hard time with these. This says they are eased, curvy, slim boot mid-rise. Now this is a problem that I've been having. Slim boot does not mean slim leg. Slim boot means that they're pretty much straight at the bottom. They're not really a boot cut. They're a very small boot cut. So it's a slim boot, not a slim leg boot. But I'll give her credit for trying and I'll see how they work. It says eased, curvy. Let me see, I can tell you right now. They might work, they might. I will try them on. I think she did a good job. She did a good job with the box. I'm not crazy about the shirt, the blouse. So let's see. I guess it's not an off the shoulder. It doesn't appear like that on my style card. It looks like it's on the shoulder, so that's how they have it styled. Here is the black shirt. Here's the black. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I thought it maybe was supposed to be the same shirt, but it looks like it's kind of gray. All right. And then up top there is the necklace. And then here is the cardigan. Ooh, I like that little shirt. And then here are the jeans. So, all right, I'm gonna go try these things on, and then I'll come back. Are you eating my shirt? You silly dog. And then I'll come back and we'll check prices, so hold tight. All right, this top, ooh, I gotta put my slippers on. My floor is cold. It's, I think 4 or 5 degrees here today. All right, here's this top. I don't like it. It's very short here. Here's the top of my pant. I mean, it's not that short, but I'm not gonna pull this. I'm not gonna pull this out of my closet and wear it. I just know I'm not. Here are the jeans. I'm gonna show you in the back how baggy they are because I cannot wear silvers. You see that? I mean, I can grab a whole handful here. So these are going back too. I got another top and then the sweater, and I will put on the necklace. All right, here's the black shirt. I got a tag poking me in the back. All right, here is the black shirt. As you can see, it's see-through. It's a little bit tight. Try to pull this up. It's a little bit tight. I mean, it's fine, but here, let me show you. Here's the sleeve. It's cute. You know, if it was on clearance somewhere for like 10 bucks, maybe, but then you've got this completely open back to deal with. All right, now the sweater, I love this color. It's very, I mean, the profile here is nice. It's not too big. It does fit. Sleeves are just a little bit long, but I'm okay with that. There's nothing special about it, so it's hard for me to justify. I don't know, guys. I'm frustrated. I'm just frustrated. All right, here, let me put the necklace on real quick, and I'll show you that. I guess out of everything, depending on how much this is probably my favorite thing in the box. So bear with me. I'll get this on. Put it down kind of low. All right, so there's the necklace. Let's see. That's cool. I like that. Like I said, I like it because it looks old. I like how it falls. It's not noisy. I'm jumping up and down. It's not noisy, so that's good. I like the necklace. I like the necklace. It really makes the top and the sweater look dressy, doesn't it? All right, let me check prices. All right, so let me read the note. Hey Brenda, I hope you enjoyed the holiday season and are looking forward to what the new year has in store for you. I started you out with the Indigo Bootcut Jeans by Silver Jeans Company. They are a great wash for the winter season and can be dressed up or down for a variety of occasions. Since you wanted some floral boho tops, I had to grab you the navy knit top by LUQ. It's a beautiful piece that you can wear with your jeans and a pair of ankle booties for a romantic date night outfit. Try the black layered hem knit top with your new jeans and add the silver statement necklace to the top for an extra touch of glam when you're going out for drinks with your girlfriends. Layer the purple cardigan over the top to keep warm with a nice pop of color. I hope you love your latest fix, and I can't wait to hear back. XO, Bettina. Well, Bettina, I'm pretty sure I said no cropped shirts. That's kind of a cropped shirt. I know you tried to give me an outfit. That's fine. All right, so here we go. Silver jeans, $89. LUQ Juliet knit top, $34. Mixed by Horace. See what I mean? I can't talk. Mixed by 41 Hawthorne. A Brianna long sleeve knit cardigan, $38. That's not bad. Bancroft Raquella metal statement necklace, $38. I have to think about that. Skies Are Blue Kendra layered hem knit top. I kept pulling on it. Something just wasn't right about it, and you can see through it. So that is $48. Excuse me. The total altogether was $247. The discount would have been $61.75 plus my styling credit of $20, which would make this box $165.25. If everything had fit for 5 items, $165 is not bad at all. The prices are good. I wish the necklace was a little bit cheaper, but it is not the cheapest thing in here. Sorry, guys. I might keep the necklace. I'm not going to keep anything else. I do have a Le Tote coming. Le Tote is $59 a month, and someone that I'm friends with on Facebook put on her wall that you could get a free tote for a while if you followed her link. So I went ahead and did that. You can pick out what you want them to send you, which was pretty cool. So I actually picked stuff out today, and they said it's shipping, so it'll probably go out tomorrow, and I'm not sure when I'll have it. So that will be my next box. Like I said earlier, I gave up on Wantable. I'm not doing Wantable anymore. That box was horrible. So right now I will have Mix and Match for sure. I'm keeping with them. And I'll have to come up with some other things to do for my channel. So stay tuned. Please, please like and subscribe if you like this video. I know it's kind of negative, but I promise to be a little upbeat the next time because I did pick that stuff out. So I do know what's coming. So, all right, guys, stay happy and healthy, and I hope God's taking care of you. Bye.